Last class we were discussed about different string handling function, isn't it? So that is strlen, strcpy, strcat, strcmp. Okay, these are all string handling functions that are defined in a file called string.h in our compiler. Okay, so next we can discuss about another string handling function, that is strlwr. Okay, actually strlwr, it is a used to convert string to lowercase letters. Okay, strlwr, and one more function is there, that is strupr, which is used to convert the given string into uppercase letters. Okay, we can discuss it in detail. First one is strlwr. Okay, strlwr. Basically, this strlwr is used to convert the given string into lowercase letters. Okay, let us see how to use this function strlwr. So first of all, we need a string to convert. Here I am using one array called str, and it contains a string, that is program. And if you observe this this string, all the letters are uppercase letters. Okay, and with the help of this strlwr function, we will convert this into corresponding lowercase letters. Okay, so that is strlwr. Okay, how we will convert? So for that, here we are writing a C program for converting the given string into given string means our uppercase letters, okay, into corresponding lowercase letter. So for that we are writing a function, program. So this is our program. So in C program, if you are using printf and scanf, you must include the header file, that is stdio.h. So that is the first line, hash include stdio.h. And here we are using this function strlwr in our program. So for that, we already know that this function is defined in a file called what, string.h. Okay, so if you are using this function in your program, you must include that string.h in your program. So that is here, hash include string.h. Okay, so these are the two header files. Then after that, here we are writing our main program. So this is the syntax, that is int main. Okay, inside that, so we are converting the given string into another lowercase letter. So for that, we need an array to store our string. Okay, character type array. So for that, here we are declaring the character type array. So char str, and at the time of declaration, we will provide the values also. So that is equal to double quotes. Inside the double quotes, നമുക്ക് മോർണിംഗിൽ പറഞ്ഞത് ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്യാം, എന്നിട്ട് നമുക്ക് പ്രോഗ്രാം കിടക്കാം. സോ strlwr അതായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ, which is used to convert the given string into lowercase. Okay, so this will be the program. First we have to write hash include stdio.h. So for using printf, it requires hash include stdio.h, because stdio.h is a file that contains all the input output functions. Then here we are using strlwr, so we have to include this hash include string.h. and this is our main program. So inside that there is a string, character type array str. So it is initialized with a string program. All the letters in this strings are uppercase letters. Then by using this strlwr function, നമ്മുടെ ഈ str എന്ന് പറയുന്ന string argument ആയി കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്, it will return a function result. ആ result എന്തായിരിക്കും? That will be എന്തായിരിക്കും? Lower case letters അല്ലേ? Lower case letters ഉള്ള strings ആയിരിക്കും അത്. So that is the output. അപ്പോൾ ഇതാണ് strlwr. Okay. strlwr is a function, built-in function that is defined in string.h header file and which is used to convert the given string into lowercase letter string. Okay, this is the example for strlwr. Okay. Then the next one is strupr. Okay, strupr is also a string handling function which is used to convert the given string into uppercase letters. Okay, previously strlwr that was used for converting the given string into lowercase. Then here strupr is a function which is used to convert the given string into uppercase letters. Okay, so here is the example for that function. First, hash include stdio.h. Every program we have to write this one, hash include stdio.h, because we are using some input and output functions. So hash include stdio.h. Then strupr is defined in string.h header file. So we had to include that string.h file also. That is hash include string.h. Okay. Then this is our main program. Here the same thing, but the difference is that str is equal to we have here initialized with the lowercase letter. Okay, string lowercase letters ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ initialize ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. So അത് ഇവിടെ str എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് assign ചെയ്തു കൊടുത്തു. Then that str എന്ന് പറയുന്ന strupr function argument ആയിട്ട് കൊടുത്തു. Then it will return the uppercase letter string. Okay, this will be the output for that string. Okay, so this is strupr. strlwr is a function which is used to convert the given string into lowercase letter, and strupr is a function which is used to convert the given string into uppercase letters. Okay, then one more function is there, that is strrev. Okay, it is also a function that is defined in string.h header file. Okay, this one, string.h header file. Mainly this strrev function which is used to reverse the given string. Okay, suppose if you give a string like this one, what we can say th. Okay, അതാണ് നിങ്ങൾ അതിന്റെ ഇൻപുട്ട് ആയിട്ട് കൊടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ what will be the output? Okay, it will give eht. Okay, reverse of that given string. അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ strrev എന്ന് പറയുന്ന function which is used to reverse the given string. Okay, ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇത് വെച്ചിട്ടൊരു എക്സാമ്പിൾ നോക്കാം. That is palindrome program using C program, C language. That means എന്തായിരുന്നു palindrome എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? palindrome, anybody? palindrome സ്ട്രിങ്ങിനെ നമുക്ക് palindrome ആണോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. എന്തായിരുന്നു palindrome? Anybody? Yeah, same. Okay, that is if you perform the reverse operation, then അതെന്തായിരിക്കണം? ഒറിജിനൽ സ്ട്രിങ്ങും അതിന്റെ റിവേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കുന്ന സ്ട്രിങ്ങും എന്തായിരിക്കണം? ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ we can say that the given string is palindrome. Okay, so we had to write a program to check the given string is palindrome. So how we will write the program? എങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ റൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യും? We had to write a C program to check the given string is palindrome or not. How we will write? First we had to read that number. Okay, then only we can reverse it. Okay, so how will you read a string? How will you read a string? There are different methods are there for reading strings. We can use gets function, we can use scanf function. We already studied that. Okay, so scanf function which is used to read a string from the keyboard, and also similar gets function is also the that is also a function which is used to read the string. So here I can use gets function. Okay, gets suppose a string k. Okay, here g എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it is a lower case letter. Okay, gets it. So I got the string. Okay, I read it. Then after that, how will you perform the reverse operation? Before reversing that number, I had to copy it into somewhere else. Then only I can compare that string. അല്ലേ? ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഇത് റിവേഴ്സ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് ഒറിജിനൽ സ്ട്രിങ് കിട്ടുമോ? ഇല്ല. So for that, it required to copy the given string into another string. So for that, there is a function in string.h. What was the function that is used to copy a string? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? A function which is used to copy the string, copy the source from destination. One built-in function is there. Anybody? Which function is used to copy a given string? Yeah, strcpy. Okay, by using this strcpy, we can copy the given string. Okay, strcpy. Okay, we can copy it to our another string b എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമുക്ക് കൊടുക്കാം. Okay, okay, so strcpy p comma a. Now എയിലും ബിയിലും എന്തുണ്ടാവും? കണ്ടെയ്ൻ ദ സെയിം കണ്ടന്റ് അല്ലെ? എയിലും ഉള്ള കണ്ടന്റ് തന്നെയായിരിക്കും എന്തിലുണ്ടാവുക? ബിയിലും ഉണ്ടാവുക. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് വി ക്യാൻ പെർഫോം ദ റിവേഴ്സ് ഓപ്പറേഷൻ. റിവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ബി ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, ഫോർ പെർഫോമിംഗ് ദാറ്റ് റിവേഴ്സ് ഓപ്പറേഷൻ നമ്മളിപ്പോ പഠിച്ച സ്ട്രിങ്സ്, വാട്ട് വാസ് ദാറ്റ്? strrev. വി ക്യാൻ യൂസ് ദിസ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ strrev. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ rev of b. മീനിങ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ബിയിലുള്ള കണ്ടന്റ് റിവേഴ്സ് ആയിരുന്നു. സപ്പോസ് ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ റീഡ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് എ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഹായ് എന്നാണെങ്കിൽ, ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ എന്താ ഈ ലൈനിൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ബിയിലും അതേ നമ്പർ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലെ? എ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ബി ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഹായ്, എയിലും എന്തുണ്ടാവും? എ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഹായ് തന്നെ, ബിക്കോസ് ഹിയർ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? കണ്ടന്റ് ഓഫ് എ ബിയിലോട്ട് കോപ്പി ചെയ്തു. Okay, now in this line എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? We will perform the reverse operation, strrev ചെയ്തു. Then what will be the content of b? Now b യുടെ കണ്ടന്റ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? b is equal to I a h. Okay, then after that, so original string is here, then reverse string is also here. Original string എവിടെയുള്ളത്? എയിലുണ്ട്. reversed string ബിയിലുണ്ട്. Then we have to check that whether this one is palindrome or not. So for that we have to compare these two strings, that is string A and string B. Okay, how we will compare? Is there any function for comparing two strings? Is there any function for comparing two strings? Yeah, strcmp. strcmp is a function which is used to compare the two strings. Okay, strcmp use ചെയ്തു compare ചെയ്തു. അതിന്റെ ആർഗ്യുമെന്റ് ആയിട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? we have to provide both string a comma b. Okay, then if the result is equal to 0 means എന്തായിരുന്നു? If the result is equal to 0 means both of the strings are equal. Else എന്തായിരിക്കും? We can say that ഈ 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ it will give you corresponding numerical value. Okay, then we can say that the given string is not equal. Okay, if both of the strings are equal, we can say that the given string is a palindrome. Else, you can say the given string is not a palindrome. So, that's our program in the logic. Okay, first we had to read the string, then we had to perform, we had to copy that string into another string, another string, a character array to copy, then reverse perform, then compare. Okay, so these steps we will do. So, we will do program right here. Okay, so first we have to write first hash include stdio dot h. Okay, hash include stdio dot h. Then here we are using different string handling function. strcpy is using, strrev is using, strcmp is using. So all these functions are defined inside the where string.h header file. So we have to include that string.h file also in our program. Hash include string.h. Okay, so our header file is okay. Then next I had to write the content. That means our main program. So we can write either we can use int or float. Here I am using int in the main. Okay, in the main. Inside that, first we have to declare the variables. Okay, declare the variable. Here, what are all the variables we are using? So for storing for reading that string, one array we are using, and reverse array copy. So here we had to declare two character type arrays. Okay, two character type arrays. So how we will declare a character type array? What was the syntax for declaring character type array? Syntax for declaring character type array. Okay, char. Then small letter char. Then space. We had to write the name of that array. Here it is A. Okay, A. Then maximum length 100. Okay, so that is the first array. Then next also another array B also. Array. Okay, array declare. Then next we have to read the given string. String read palindrome check. Okay, so for reading, enter the string. Then only you can enter your string. So first printf enter a string. Enter a string. Okay. Then after that you will enter string. String enter. Okay, enter the string output. String enter. Then by using this gets function, we can read the string. Okay, gets function already so gets A. That means in the meaning gets is a function that will read the content that are written in the keyboard. Keyboard sorry, keyboard type that gets function read it will be stored into the character type array A. A character type array store. Okay, then after that, now array namada kayil kitti, and the next operation we have to copy that content into another array. Another array to copy. So for that we can use this strcpy function. Okay, strcpy is a function which is used to copy from source string to destination string. Here the source string is A and the destination string is B. Okay, so we can copy the content from A to B by using the string str CPY, strcpy b comma a. Now b il vandundavum a യുടെ അതേ values കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. Then after that we had to perform the reverse operation. Then only we can check അതായത് given number is palindrome ആണോ അല്ലയോ എന്ന് find ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. So we had to perform the reverse operation. For performing reverse operation, we can use this strrev functions. Okay. So strrev of b. That means after performing this strrev function, the content of b എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? It will be the reverse of the original string. Okay. It will be the reverse of the original string. Then after that, we had to check. We had to check whether the both the strings, that is string b and string a, if both are equal, we can say that given string is palindrome. So for that, we had to compare ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? കണ്ടീഷൻ ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം അല്ലെ, അത് 0 ആണോ അല്ലയോ എന്ന് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പൊ നമുക്കൊരു കണ്ടീഷൻ ചെയ്യാം. if strcmp, strcmp is a function that is used to compare two string. Okay, what was the syntax? So for that we had to provide a comma b. Okay, and if this one is equal to 0, okay, if strcmp of a comma b is equal to 0, അതിന്റെ മീനിങ് എന്താണ്? 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ് അതിന്റെ മീനിങ്? നമുക്ക് പറയാം എന്താണ്? The given string is palindrome അല്ലെ? അപ്പൊ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് പ്രിന്റ് ചെയ്യാം. printf the given string is പറഞ്ഞോട്ടെ. ഓക്കെ, അല്ല എങ്ങനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുക? The given string is not a palindrome. For that we can use else part. ELSE. Okay, else എന്ത് പറയാം? It is not palindrome. So for that also we can use printf. Okay, printf the string is not okay. String is not a palindrome. Okay. Then finally we can stop our program. Return R small letter ആണ്. Okay. Return 0. Close. So this is the program for finding the given number is palindrome or not. Okay. എന്തായിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തത്? First hash include stdio.h. That is the header file, because we are using some printf and gets functions. So for that stdio.h is mandatory. Then next one is hash include string.h. Why we have included this string.h? Because we are using here strcpy, strrev, so strcmp, all these functions are defined inside a string.h header file. So that is why we have included the string.h header file. Then this will be the main program. Here first declare an array, character type array whose size is 100 because it is maximum size. Then b, another array. Then by using gets function, we will read the string. Then after that, strcpy. Strcpy is the function which is used to copy the given string into another string. Okay, strcpy b comma a. Then after that, we will perform the reverse operation by using the built-in function strrev of b. Okay, now in the string b, we will get the reverse of a. അല്ലേ എയിൽ എന്താണുള്ളത് അതിന്റെ റിവേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് എ കിട്ടും നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ബിയിൽ കിട്ടും. Then by using strcmp function we can compare these two strings. We can compare these two strings strcmp a comma b. If both the strings are equal to 0, that means the value of strcmp a comma b is equal to 0 means both the strings are equal. Okay, then we can say the given string is palindrome. Else, that means ഇതിന്റെ value 0 അല്ല. That means the given strings are not equal. Then we can say the given string is not a palindrome. So this is the program for finding that the given string is palindrome or not. Okay.